What's the main organ of digestion? It's the pancreas. Most people think that all of their digestion happens in the stomach, but it is not true.
Today, we're going to dive into a critical topic that affects millions of people worldwide: the importance of taking care of our pancreas. With the alarming rise of pancreatic issues, it's more crucial than ever to understand how to support this vital organ. The pancreas is a small but incredibly important organ that plays a crucial role in our digestive system and blood sugar regulation. According to Barbara O'Neill, a renowned health expert, the pancreas is the main organ of digestion. It's located behind the stomach, and it's about the size of a hand. But despite its small size, the pancreas has a big job to do. When we eat, our food goes through the mouth, down the esophagus, and into the stomach. The stomach is where the food is broken down into smaller pieces, but it's not where the nutrients are absorbed. That happens in the small intestine, which is where the pancreas comes in. The pancreas produces enzymes that break down the nutrients in our food into smaller pieces that our bodies can absorb and use. These enzymes are like tiny little workers that help our bodies get the nutrients they need. As Barbara O'Neill explains, the pancreas releases enzymes like lipase, amylase, and trypsin, which break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins into smaller pieces. The pancreas is also responsible for producing bicarbonate, which helps to neutralize the acid coming from the stomach. This is important because the acid from the stomach can damage the lining of the small intestine, which can lead to digestive issues. By producing bicarbonate, the pancreas helps to create a safe and healthy environment for the absorption of nutrients. She emphasizes the importance of the pancreas in maintaining good health. She says, "The pancreas is pretty amazing when you think about it. It does a lot more than people usually realize, especially when it comes to digestion and blood sugar regulation." The pancreas plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, and it's responsible for producing hormones like insulin and glucagon that help to keep blood sugar levels stable. According to Barbara O'Neill, the pancreas is a very complex organ that has multiple functions. One of its main functions is to produce enzymes that break down nutrients in the food we eat. These enzymes are released into the small intestine, where they help to break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into smaller pieces that can be absorbed by the body. The pancreas produces several types of enzymes, including lipase, amylase, and trypsin. Lipase breaks down fats into smaller pieces, while amylase breaks down carbohydrates into simple sugars. Trypsin, on the other hand, breaks down proteins into amino acids. In addition to producing enzymes, the pancreas also produces bicarbonate, which helps to neutralize the acid coming from the stomach. This is important because the acid from the stomach can damage the lining of the small intestine, which can lead to digestive issues. She explains that the pancreas also produces hormones like insulin and glucagon, which help to regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin helps to lower blood sugar levels by allowing glucose to enter the cells, while glucagon helps to raise blood sugar levels by releasing stored glucose into the bloodstream. The pancreas also has a unique relationship with the liver and the gallbladder. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder. When we eat, the gallbladder releases bile into the small intestine, where it helps to break down fats and other nutrients. The pancreas also releases enzymes into the small intestine, where they help to break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. As she explains, the pancreas is a very complex organ that works in conjunction with other organs to maintain good health. By understanding how the pancreas works, we can take steps to support its health and function and maintain overall good health. One of the key things to understand about the pancreas is that it is a very sensitive organ. It is sensitive to stress, diet, and other factors that can affect its function. By taking care of our pancreas, we can help to maintain its health and function and prevent a range of health problems. According to Barbara O'Neill, there are certain foods that can harm the pancreas and disrupt its function. One of the main culprits is refined sugar. Refined sugar is a simple carbohydrate that can cause blood sugar levels to spike, putting a strain on the pancreas. She explains that when we eat refined sugar, it causes a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which triggers an insulin response. This can lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance occurs when the cells in the body become resistant to insulin, making it harder for glucose to enter the cells. Another food that can harm the pancreas is processed meat. Processed meat is high in advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are substances that form when protein and sugar molecules react with each other. AGEs can cause inflammation in the body, which can damage the pancreas and disrupt its function. She also warns against consuming high-fat foods, particularly those that are high in saturated and trans fats. These types of fats can cause inflammation in the body and damage the pancreas. In addition to these foods, she also recommends avoiding foods that are high in sodium and preservatives. These types of foods can cause inflammation in the body and disrupt the function of the pancreas. It's also important to note that some foods can be particularly damaging to the pancreas when consumed in excess. For example, eating large amounts of red meat can put a strain on the pancreas, as it requires a lot of digestive enzymes to break down. She emphasizes that it's not just about avoiding certain foods, but also about eating a balanced diet that supports the health of the pancreas. By eating a diet that is rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, we can help to support the health of the pancreas and maintain overall good health. Now, some people may be wondering if there are any supplements that can help support the health of the pancreas. According to Barbara O'Neill, certain supplements can be beneficial for pancreas health. For example, digestive enzymes such as papain and bromelain can help support the pancreas by breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Probiotics can also be beneficial, as they can help to support the health of the gut microbiome and reduce inflammation. According to Barbara O'Neill, eating a balanced diet that is rich in whole foods is essential for supporting the health of the pancreas. This includes foods that are high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. She explains that fiber helps to slow down the release of sugar into the bloodstream, which can help to reduce the strain on the pancreas. She recommends aiming for at least 25 grams of fiber per day, and getting it from a variety of sources such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. In addition to fiber-rich foods, Barbara O'Neill also recommends eating foods that are high in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and other vegetables. Antioxidants can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect the pancreas from damage. The importance of staying hydrated and getting regular exercise. Exercise can help to improve insulin sensitivity, which can reduce the strain on the pancreas. She recommends aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day, and incorporating strength training and flexibility exercises into your routine. In terms of specific foods, she recommends eating foods that are high in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and seeds. These foods can help to reduce inflammation in the body and support the health of the pancreas. She also recommends eating foods that are high in protein, such as lean meats, fish, and plant-based protein sources like legumes and tofu. Protein can help to support the health of the pancreas and reduce the risk of pancreatitis. The importance of reducing stress and getting enough sleep. Stress can cause inflammation in the body and put a strain on the pancreas, while lack of sleep can disrupt the body's natural rhythms and make it harder to regulate blood sugar levels. In addition to these healthy habits, she also recommends considering certain supplements that can support pancreas health. These include digestive enzymes, probiotics, and antioxidants like vitamin C and E. By incorporating these healthy foods and habits into your lifestyle, you can help to support the health of your pancreas and reduce the risk of pancreatitis and other health problems.